Love is a gift from God above. A pure and sacred emotion to love. It's a bond that can never break. A divine connection that we cannot fake. God's love is infinite and true. A guiding light that will see us through. In the face of trials, it remains strong. A force that carries us along. Love and God, intertwined in grace. A power that time cannot erase. May we cherish both forevermore, and bask in their radiant, divine allure. For love and God bring joy and peace, and all our worries and sorrows cease. Their love is a flame that never dies, a light that shines in the darkest of skies. We must hold on to love and God, and let them guide us like a rod. For they are the source of life and light, the foundation of all that is right. So let us praise them with all our heart, and never let them from us depart. For in their love we find our way, and in their grace we shall forever stay.